How do traders go about getting a good programmer? What is the research they should do?
Okay, so again, it's about reviews. It's about looking at reviews and feedback. And it's not just the programmer. It's obviously there's different types of programmers. You can get somebody who's in a third world country with limited education, who's self-taught programming, and they'll probably do your system for $20. I think if I was not thinking about my business and I was just somebody, my advice would be, if you're looking at quick and dirty and fast prototypes, you could just. Oh, it's a tough one actually, because I mean, I would like our company to actually target people that. Okay, how can I explain this? I'm trying to explain it the best way I can. It's something like getting your hair cut. Would you get your next door neighbor to get their hair cut for, your next door neighbor to cut your hair for $5, or would you go to a hairdresser and get it cut for $50? It's about the quality of their haircut and how they wash your hair. And how they wash your hair. Oh, yeah.
You put a bowl over your head and you just get your wife to.
Yeah, so I think it's a lot of things about the program. It's about how you get on with them, the quality of the work that you get, how detailed, and I think it's about all the policies that are in place to protect you if anything goes wrong. I think the whole thing really. So
yeah,
mostly. Yeah, mostly. So you look at reviews, you look at the background, you look at transparency in the person that you're using, you look at response times, that you get response to your email within minutes, not days. So that's a big problem with a lot of them out there. There are a lot of coders out there that are self-taught or one-man bands. But again, it's like anything in the consumer industry. If you were to buy something, would you go to the bottom end of the market or top end? It all depends on the customer. And if they've got money to pay for the good quality stuff, or you get a low-end customer that doesn't have a lot of money and they buy off somebody else.
Well, I know Hugh's got some experience in programming some stuff. What was your experience like?
I don't do a lot of coding myself, so I have to go find programmers. And like Paul said, you're looking for reviews. Referrals are always the best thing. Number two, do they know about trading? Like, there's a lot of people who can obviously code in C#, but do they know about trading and how trading works? That's a really tough one. And then like Paul mentioned, are they responsive? Do they get back to you? Do they answer your questions specifically, or do they kind of just give you general answers? And I think the really big one is, don't take a big project with them right away. Maybe you can have a initial project that's much smaller, and maybe just a test project, and you can give them a little bit of money, and you can see how well you work with them and kind of take it from there.
Good idea, yeah.